A carbon-aware update for the Xbox is drawing political attention. I did hear about this, but I didn't read extensively on it. Essentially, there was some sort of warning that came up on the dashboard for Xbox users.
Yeah, because apparently the Series X and S is really hard to actually shut down completely. Because if you shut down like using the fast, quick option, it doesn't shut down. It still consumes a little bit of energy.
In the background, is this in like a sleep mode or something like that?
Yeah, there is sleep mode, and then there's the shutdown, which is not complete shutdown. And to actually really shut down, you have to go to the options and like shut it down there, which is way more complicated than it usually is. So Xbox decided to like have the option to fully shut down in like the quick settings. That's what it is.
Look at this. I mean, everything is political, isn't it? Look, everything. Look at this. Microsoft will force gamers into powering down their Xbox consoles in order to fight climate change. It's all phrasing. Like if it just said, hey, want to save some money on your energy bill? Like it's just phrasing. Like calm down with the phrasing. Because that really then guides.
They have a full page for this.
But it just guides everybody's attention into these combative areas and makes it seem like a war zone that it doesn't have to be. The phrasing of, it's like basically be a good person. Don't be a jerk. And
they have an ad for it.
I think people are pretty much over that at this point. Like everybody feels like a jerk all the time. Trying to move around and do their things and do their business. And it's like, can't we just take a more optimistic approach to how we suggest these things? And you know what they're looking for. They're looking for a pat on the back, right? They're looking for people to say, oh, unlike your competitor,
Xbox is aware.
You're so much this. And it's like, but think about the individual user and how you can phrase something to them, which has less to do about you, the company, and more to do with what does it do for them? What does it do for them? How does it improve things for them? If you create a positive incentive structure, instead of a slap on the wrist negative one, stop being a jerk already.
Yeah.
You know, if you're around enough people, you realize the consequences of that particular approach in many cases. Whereas if you say, you know, with the positive reinforcement, you throw some positive reinforcement in there and say, it could actually save you some cash. This could actually prolong the lifespan of your... There's so many ways that you can phrase this thing without needing to smack people. But it's never a shortage of people trying to smack people.
Yeah.
Social media 2023, even people need to smack other people to get a pat on the back from other people. You understand how negative that is? It's like you're in the schoolyard. You know how that works, Will?
Yeah.
I want to get a pat on the back from those folks, so I'm going to smack those folks.
Yeah. Go beat them up.
What do you think the consequence is? A bunch of people smacking each other. Have you ever been on social media?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, man. Do the math. Do the math, guys.